Did you know that approximately 50% of women and 40% of men experience hair loss at some point in lives? Crazy, right? But what if I told you there is a natural remedy that some people swear by? Two powerful ingredients that might just be the hair growth hack you have been looking for. And those are rosemary and clove. In this video, we will go through the scientific analysis about rosemary and cloves for hair growth. And then we'll tell you the methods and application of rosemary and clove oil. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Now let's see what science says. A 2015 clinical study showed that rosemary oil can be as effective as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment. In another research, where combining rosemary and MYRTUS extracts on androgenetic alopecia improved hair regrowth. One more research proves that Oleogel containing rosemary oil had 10% similar effects to minoxidil. Isn't it great news? Because minoxidil has several side effects too. Analysis shows cloves are rich in antioxidants like eugenol and gallic acid can help fight harmful free radicals that cause oxidative cell damage and lead to several hair concerns. More importantly, evidence suggests that gallic acid in cloves preserves hair color and strength and promotes growth. So, clove is helpful in premature graying. Evidence shows eugenol and other antioxidant compounds in cloves also improve blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair follicle activity and subsequent hair growth. According to another research, cloves also help reduce scalp discomfort and itchiness by reducing inflammation. Clove can also fight various bacterial, viral, and fungal infections that contribute to hair loss and inhibit hair growth. Methods and application. Applying rosemary and clove to your hair can be done in various ways, such as essential oils, rinsing the oil, and infused oils. Here is how you can use these ingredients effectively. Method number 1: rosemary and clove infused oil. For that you need 0.2 tablespoons of dried rosemary, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 cup of carrier oil such as coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. Heat the carrier oil in a pan on low heat. Add the rosemary and cloves to the oil. Let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the oil doesn't boil, as this can damage the nutrients. Remove from heat and let it cool down. Strain the oil to remove the herbs and store it in a clean, airtight container. Now, part your hair into sections and apply the infused oil to your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. Leave the oil on your hair for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper conditioning. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo to remove the oil. Use this treatment once or twice a week for the best results. Method number 2: rosemary and clove hair rinse. The making of the oil is same as in the method 1, but application is different. Now, how do you apply it? After shampooing your hair, pour the rosemary and clove oil on your hair and scalp. Massage it into your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes. Rinse out with cold water or leave it in if you prefer. Use this rinse once or twice a week to help with hair growth and scalp health. Method number 3: rosemary and clove essential oil blend. For that you will need 5 drops of rosemary essential oil, 2 to 3 drops of clove essential oil, 2 tablespoons of carrier oil such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, NOW. Combine the essential oils with the carrier oil in a small bowl or bottle and mix them. Part your hair and apply the oil blend to your scalp. Massage gently for a few minutes to enhance absorption. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it. Use this blend once or twice a week. Some tips: always do a patch test before applying any oil, or rinse to ensure you do not have an allergic reaction. For best results, be consistent with your application. Natural remedies take time to show effects, so regular use is the key. Thanks for watching. For more health and wellness related tips, don't forget to subscribe.